So I made this gun system that turned into a monster, as always. So first I made this mesh gun, and I wanted to make some animations, more than just a gun that you use to shoot at people. Though I did make a one that does shoot prim projectiles, I still wanted something that was really good looking for images. And I wanted some animations that were AO compatible. So you have this menu which allows you to use different poses that are built in, and they work with your AO. And I also put firing. Like, for example, you can do a full fire, and the gun has animations and sound. And then you have a half fire. So like if you wanted like an action shot, you could have an action shot. It only controls the arm, so you could do any face, bento face animations you wanted. And of course it works with any AO, so you have options. And then I did it in different colors. We have gold, pink, black, and good old gray. And the gun won't deform. So after I got done with that, I thought, okay, that's cool, you know. I said, you know what would be really cool though is if you added a character system, because if you were going to be like a street person. So I made this, it holds 5 characters, and we'll just go over it. So you can put in your name, any name you choose for a character. So character 1 will just be Dark Hand. And then it gives you the option of a title. And this is a test title. You can put in whatever. You can hold up to 222 characters. And then it asks you to pick a color. And this would be what the color is. And then you set the color. Now it will save all of that in the memory for all 5 characters. So you can have 5 different names, 5 different titles, and 5 different title character or colors. And it will always save it. And you can do things like, say you wanted to adjust your color. It will, no matter what character you're on, it will let you change the color, and then it will save it in the, when you go to call up your characters, they'll be in here. I only have one right now. But right now it's going to reattach a new title of what's in the database, which should be that red color that we just saw. It shouldn't be the original green, which it is. And then you can add, of course, more. So we'll just do oops, keep doing that. Into title 2. Like I said, you can do up to 222 characters. And another color. And then you're going to set that, and it's going to attach a new titler here for a second. It's all auto attaching. You don't have to get your titler out of your inventory, it will just auto attach. And then as you add more characters, they'll be in here, and then you can switch around. Now there is a coin system to this, because I want it kind of like the John Wick, where you have the gold coins. So I built this little mini city to kind of make with this. It's very photo fun, and it has a theme of H.P. Lovecraft's Innsmouth. So anyways, we have all these characters, and I thought, you know, fist fighting would be cool. So I also built a damage system for that gun, but not on prim bullets, on cast ray, so it can be used anywhere. It doesn't res bullets, but it does have a full combat. You can also fist fight, and when you push that, you just wait a second and it will attach the Street Fighter, and the Street Fighter comes on, and you push your thing and you can attack. And this has a full health system as well. Any other fighter you fight, you'll see their health up here, and then you can do this and it takes it right off, and then here in a second it's going to attach your titler. So it went back to the last character that I was in, and then you have combat on and off that will help you with gunplay. This is for your gun if you wanted to have a gunfight. And then this allows you to pay other people coins. You cannot pay yourself. You can choose yourself, but it won't pay them. And so you could like hire other hitmen and that type of thing. And then I, put a lot of controls on it, like if you don't want Tyler, you don't need it. But that was it. And then simple animation object. I don't know where I'm going with this yet. I mean, it all works. It holds its memory. If you detach it, it will all still be there. Doesn't run on an HTTP. It doesn't run on a database. It stores it within the memory core of the HUD, and detaching it won't erase it. It should only change when you change your characters. The coin is for all your characters. Like, whatever coin you have is only for... It represents everyone, because you're role-playing for coins. You're taking on other identities to make these coins. So I didn't want to do like a coin for each character, because it gets a little weird, and then you have people that will start funneling the coins to their characters, and they get all weird about a free coin with no value. So I wanted to make it where basically the role player gets the coins, and their tools, their characters they select and deploy to win those. Also, you can log into different places in my little sim here, and it will pay you coins to work in the areas. So I wanted to make a functioning time clock that worked with the coin as well. Once again, that wasn't on database. Most of my HUDs have been on database, and just the cost of it, and if they're not out there a lot, then I'm paying for a bunch of database that no one's using. So I wanted something that was more localized in the HUD, and that's what I came up with. Thanks for watching my video.